Hey there, traders. It's Wednesday, February 9th, 2022. We got Facebook on the cherry bomb trade for today. And more importantly, a Jade lizard. I don't think we get those but like once a year sent to us from Tasty Trade. So pretty cool. They call it a cautiously bullish position. I say it's cautiously neutral or neutral with a caution sign at the top. Either way, it has the same probabilities as a short put and similar risk profile, but no risk to the upside on this neutral trade. So if you're interested, let's get cooking. Oh, wait a minute. I got to go over the thumbnail. You take a couple days off, it happens. IV rank of 60, nice juicy. Facebook is a falling knife that seems to have hit the ground and is now rolling downhill. So not all the way as low, maybe? Who knows? Or it's just on sale. Depends on how you look at it. It has a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4. And just now, we'll go in and take a look at this chart that I was talking about hitting the ground and fell off the counter, and now it's rolling down the hill kind of a thing, right? So, let's take a little zoom in there again. That's what I mean by falling and then rolling. Now, is this a great time to get in? Some might say yes. Some might say this is the new level at which Facebook is going to sit, or is going to keep going lower, because how can they monetize without their the tracking that people are blocking them on? I don't know. Wonder what your thoughts are on this stuff. Let me go ahead and auto zoom back out, but let's just put the trade on and get moving with our day, right? That's what we want to do. Let's go to the Analyze tab. Let's go to the Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the March monthlies. Yay. Thank you, Tom Preston, for the monthlies on that one. By the way, Tom Preston sends us trade ideas 4 days a week from Tasty Trade. We get them in our inbox. If you'd like to get them in your inbox, there's a link in the description down below. It's not a link in which I get rewarded any way. I just do this, obviously, not for the subscriber numbers. I'm 2 years into this, not even at 1,000 subscribers, but I do it because I like it. Hope you like it too. All right, let's get going here. So you know how to get the emails if you want them. We're going to put this trade on as sent to us. We're looking at the 195 put. That's just around a 19 delta. Around a 20 delta. It is a 19 delta. It said 18 earlier when I first looked at this. And then we're going to go over here to the call side. We're going to sell the 245 call. So that's like your strangle. But then we buy the 250 call for protection to the upside, and we can collect around about $500, a little bit more probably. I'm putting 505. That's what we see in the Tasty Trade email. I'm going to put that in there so we don't have any risk to the upside, because our credit is at least the size of our width of the call spread at the top. So there it is. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see all of the strikes there. Short the 240 call, short the 195 put, and then long the 245 call for our protection to the upside. Let's take a look at that risk profile so we understand our probabilities going into this trade. That's that short put. It's very similar to a short put here. We collect a little additional premium at the top here, but of course that requires us to now stay in this area here. And we have zero risk to the upside, because even if it blows through, if Facebook should figure out a new way to take money, right, then we can still make, let's call it $2, because after, let's say commissions potentially, that kind of a thing, you can, or fees. All right. So there is our trade. I'm going to go ahead and right click this and choose this and put this in our confirm and send screen that you can't see until I click this button. Here it is. And it says max profit 505 and $19,000 of potential loss if Facebook should have another black swan moment. Before I hit the send, I did forget to show you that the probability is an 83% probability of profit on this one, with an 82% probability of making half the credit. So here's a trade where you have an 82% probability of making $250 somewhere in the next 37 days. If that sounds like a good thing, if you would like to try to see how that works, if you're new to these options, hopefully you'll join us. Hopefully you'll like this and you'll subscribe to this channel. And we do all this learning without any real risk, so that when you're ready to risk your real dollars, you can do that with some confidence. All right, right click on the trade, confirm and send. I have just got to prove it to you. I'm going to hit the send button. There it goes. All right, Thank you so much for watching this far. Big thumbs up to you. I like you watching these videos to the end. It does help me. Yeah, I'll see you next time. And until then, may the market be with you.